All right, let's unbox this Kodak film camera i60. This is a standard sort of plastic fantastic camera coming out of the Corex company, but designed to look like an old Instamatic, and with a slightly different flash interface. Oh, come on. Okay. So in the bottom of the package, we have the strap and a little card with a QR code for an online instruction manual. Here is the i60. Little design element up here. Push that flash back in, and if we push this button, that releases it. Haven't tried this yet, obviously, but my guess is going to be that means the flash is off, and that popping it up turns it on. And unlike the f9 versions of this camera, the aperture does not change when the flash is activated like it does on, this model camera, which is also called the Agfa Photo Reusable and the Alfred Sprite 2. Okay. So slightly different battery placement with this camera. It's on the side instead of on the bottom. Do you have the film rewind release button? Looks like they have an actual serial number on this. That's pretty nifty. The back release is also a little bit different than on the other f9 type cameras, although the insides are pretty darn close to the same. Cosmetic differences appear only, it looks like. Film advance, shutter button, film rewind, flash ready light, strap connector. Other than that, keep an eye out for the camera manual, which should be coming fairly shortly.